Hello everyone, welcome to this lense contacts review. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing 3 brown contacts from Lense, very popular brown lenses, or I would say hazel, golden, amber colored lenses. I'm going to be showing you guys how these lenses look in bright artificial lighting. I have a ring light, as well as natural daylight in front of my window. For all of my reviews, I never wear fake lashes. I never wear any makeup, aside from lipstick, because I want to show you how the lenses enhance your eyes naturally without any other distractions. Alright, so this first pair is called the 3-Con Berry. So their 3-con line means that there's a 3-tone theme going on. I reviewed, I think, all the other colors in their 3-con collection. It's on my channel. This one is an amber brown color. So it is a brown with a very, very strong orange undertone. I actually think that these lenses are very well designed, despite the fact that there is bleeding over on the white or the sclera of my eye. And that's because the graphic diameter is too large for my particular iris. However, as I've said in several videos, my iris is unusually small. Most people's irises, this is not going to happen. So I highly suggest that you try to find other reviews from other color contact lens reviewers to see how this lens is going to look without the bleeding over effect. But all in all, I think this is a very well-designed lens. It has zero bug eye effect. It's not going to make your eyes look crooked. You're not going to look like you're wearing colored lenses. This lens is also highly pigmented, so it's suitable for both medium brown as well as dark brown eyes. And it has a beautiful color scheme if you take a look. I really love the pattern of it. It looks streaked, but it's very blended. So there is absolutely no pixelation because it's so softly blended. There are strong tones of orange, caramel brown, and then a little bit of gray speckled throughout. So all in all, from a distance, as you can see, I look like I have glowing hazel orange amber eyes. Beautiful color. It's going to suit warm skin tones beautifully. Tanned, olive, or dark skin tones. So if you love hazel lenses and if you have very dark brown eyes and you're looking for a pair of natural amber lenses, this is definitely a pair to consider. Alright, let's move on to the next pair. Hello everyone, so here is the Russian Gold. I want to mention that these lenses are daily lenses. They are sold in packs of 20. Oh my goodness, you guys, I think this is my favorite brown lens I've ever tried from Lense. It is so subtle, yet it still significantly brightens my medium brown eye. Absolutely zero bug eye effect. It's an open pupil hole design, so the design is more so focused on the outside of the iris, and the inside is sort of left untouched, and it's my natural iris coming through. But because the blending is so seamless, the color is not too much of a contrast. It looks like my natural eye, even fairly up close. Such a beautiful color as well. So the color is sort of a cool toned gold, I would say. Very much true to its name. Kind of like, yeah, a yellow, brown, gold color. And the patterning is such a smooth color gradient. There's just a little bit of streaky play up with opacity to mimic a natural eye design. And then there is slight bleeding over on my sclera, but honestly, not at all noticeable in person. Like, I would honestly wear these out today to the grocery store or wherever I'm going. Actually, I honestly think this is the first pair of daily lenses that I absolutely love, that I am going to actually use and wear. And wow, it's always a good day when you find a pair of lenses that you are in love with. And I'm definitely in love with this Russian Gold. I've been wanting it for a long time. I've been looking at it on the Lense site for a long time because the design of it looked very realistic, and I was right. Sometimes I'm not right, but this time I am. And oh my goodness, you guys, for all of you medium brown eyed people out there, if you have tried the Spanish brown from TDDI, you liked that color, you've tried Iris Hazel from Color CL, I promise you will love this Russian gold if you are looking for a pair of really realistic light brown daily lenses. Definitely give these a try. They are like a 10 out of 10 for me. Hello everyone, so here is the Russian Velvet Brown. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this honestly looks the exact same as the Russian Gold. So I kind of, I don't know, duped myself, I guess. You know, that's not a bad thing because this design is absolutely phenomenal. This is one of Olens's best designs, best brown lenses I have ever tried. Like I said, I think it's the best. So now you have a monthly version, which is the Russian Velvet Brown, and then the daily version is just the Russian Gold. Beautiful, seamless color grading. Look at it, you guys. Look at how beautiful the color is. Look at how beautiful the blending is. I can't get over it. I'm just over the moon, and now I have so many pairs. This is definitely my top 5 for brown lenses for all companies. Olens is running a Black Friday sale right now. You can get 5 pairs of monthly lenses for $49. That works out to $10 US per prescription pair, which is a really good deal. They're also offering a deal on daily lenses. You can get 4 boxes of 20 lenses for $115. So that's 80 pairs for $115. This sale runs, I believe, until November 25th, I think, for Black Friday. So definitely take advantage of that. And you can try using my discount code Danica10. Sometimes it's active, sometimes it's not. But I'll just put it up for good measure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of these lenses from Olens, which was your favorite, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!